Part 1 of the snowstorm. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. I better go inside or not, I'm freezing to death. Phew. I was almost dead out there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to my room. Okay, now I think I need to take a shower and put my bag and change my clothes so that I can get all comfy. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my clothes in the washing machine. Okay, so now it's finally time to take a shower. Shampoo and some soap. All right, all done. Now let's change our clothes. I think I'm gonna wear this because I feel like I'm gonna be all comfy in this. I love this. Okay, now let's put the robe back in the bathroom. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna scroll on my phone. Hey sweetheart, did you have fun at school? It was okay, I guess. Oh, what happened? So like it wasn't so good at school because like there was like a whole entire snowstorm maybe outside. You might not want to go outside though, Mom. What? That's terrible. Okay, then maybe you should just not go outside for a while. Sorry, I'm just like really worried about you. Don't forget to feel comfy and like warm so that you're not gonna catch a cold. Cause I don't want you to catch a cold. Don't forget to lock all of your windows, okay? Okay, Mom. Stay safe. Bye. Love you. Okay, guys, you can watch the second part of the snowstorm, so bye.